Hey guys, it's Allie and Isis, and today we're going to be cutting and giving a makeover to squishies. I already started on this one, and then I already started on the top. I cut it from its neck, and then I'm gonna make something completely different with this neck. I don't know what yet.
Do you want me to cut the hair?
The hair stays on. And then this one I'm cutting the hair off because I'm making it a rainbow hair. And it was a unicorn, but I cut it off.
You tore it.
Tore it off, yes. And then I might remake the eyes. And yeah, so let's get started with it. Ow! Okay, well, that didn't go as planned, but that's okay. Okay, I need those scissors. She takes care of all of the squishy remainings. These are all of them so far.
You're kind of just like a hoarder.
Well, because once I get enough and stuff, I also use this for, like, so first we start cutting the hair. Super simple. She's getting bored. Okay.
Don't stare at my papes.
Just cutting the squishy makeover.
Oh crap.
These are just cheap squishies from Walgreens. So they're not like good, not like super duper good ones. They're just cheap ones from Walgreens.
She was about to cut me, and she cut my own foot.
I'm being careful not to cut his ears. He's so like weird with no ears. Okay.
Yeah, no, it just looks like it, okay?
He's like, okay.
How about you this?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. That's the neck of the horse.
It was no dead.
Yes, that. I'm trying to make sure everyone gets
That's what is famous to me.
fairy
Sorry.
tale.
Yeah, sorry if you guys can't read it because it's like backward.
Yeah,
But it
my
says
friend
fairy.
wrote it.
Yeah, but it's fairy tale. It's got fairy wrong. Oh, looks like fairy tale.
Yeah, but oh well, I don't really care.
Oh, who spelled it?
My friend wrote it.
Oh yeah, BTW, shout out to Maggie.
Yeah.
And me.
Yeah, shout out to Isis. I think that's who you took me.
No.
Isis Belgrade. Isis
No, my YouTube is Gymnastics Girl 125.
Okay.
Go subscribe to me, Gymnastics Girl 125.
Yes.
Also go subscribe to Maddie.
That's not her YouTube name. I'll ask her her YouTube name and then I'll give it to you guys. And I'll try to post every day. Every Saturday, Friday, Sunday, I don't know. I'll try to post every day of the week, but it might be hard because I have school and cheer.
She barely has enough time for me.
So, okay. I'm still getting the little pieces of blue off.
I think they really just cut up 5 blocks. Oh yeah.
That's it.
This used to be a dog.
It used to be a dog, but it got super bad and like hard to squish.
And now it's kind of just like
It's just a tie-dye ball.
it kind of looks like a bath.
Yeah, something.
and she sprayed perfume on it, and it smells very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that with this one too, because I do that to all my squishies.
And
when I do a makeover with them.
what do you think this is gonna be?
I don't know. Comment down below what you think this should be, and then comment if you got it right.
Yeah. Don't cheat, because I know people on here, like, they
You
always
don't cheat. So don't cheat. And if you get it right, and yeah, I'll give you a shout out and a subscribe.
if you have a YouTube channel.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm almost done, and I'm thinking about redoing those eyes.
You
I'll
probably
wait till
should.
the end, but
To
all
see
I
how
know is I'm gonna redo those eyelashes. So I'm taking off these eyelashes. It's kind of hard.
Want me to get your markers?
Yeah,
Where are they?
in that glittery bag right there.
So I'm just gonna go supplies.
You normally would know where everything is, but I rearranged.
Is this your glitter bag? I didn't know you had any markers in here.
I know, I at first didn't, but
And then here's a picture of her and her dad.
yeah.
That's good for Dad today. I'm pretty sure this fell off of her seal.
Yeah, it did. I have
Oh,
stars and stuff.
I just sat on it. Yeah, and guys, here is the inside.
It's
Sorry if you can't like see it very good, but here's the inside.
okay, well, I just got all the hair off, so now it's a bald pony, and now I'm going through and smoothing it out. I didn't do it with that ball because it didn't need it, but this does. Like, it does need it, but I wanted it to be not smooth,
Man.
so it looks cool and smooth.
Yeah.
And to smoothen it, you just rub it or cut it, and
But like, it's life is at stake if you try to smooth it out with your scissors. So be careful, guys. Yeah, I mean, we got this idea from this girl. Her name's Mariah Elizabeth.
if you don't want to use it,
No,
that's
like,
a slime.
she's the slime queen.
And this girl's like the squishy queen, like she does ultimate makeovers. Like,
Yeah, but she's also kind of like richer.
yeah, she has a lot of supplies for it and stuff. I'm just using scissors and markers, and she has like puffy paint and acrylic paint and
Fabric glue.
and like stuff and like molds to actually make them and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, and she also does crafts.
Yeah.
And she also you can send it to a P.O. box.
If there's a squishy that needs a makeover, but you won't get it back. And you can do that to me. I'll put my like PO box and stuff. But yeah.
I'm not sure what that was from.
Okay, it's not super smooth and out, but it's the best you're gonna get.
Yeah, and it's like very soft, like very, very soft.
Yeah. And then to push that off to the side.
Okay.
Just dump all these out. There's not that many in here, I know. I don't use markers that often. So, just drink it. I use it last night, so it shouldn't.
It is.
Yeah, it's dried out. I don't. So, its hair is going to be rainbow. Let's see. Like, is it dried out? Okay, so right now I'm doing rainbow. I mainly have oranges. I don't know why.
Then a Sharpie highlighter. And like, this is the hello.
Yellow. Here, I think I have them there, so I just have to go grab them.
Green. And I'll see if this one works. Also, they both work. And then you do. She doesn't have blue or purple. She has a brown. 2 browns actually.
3 browns, actually.
Yeah, 3. There's a fat brat and like the two like skinniest things in the world.
Yeah, I got a long time ago.
I did have a lot more,
But they got thrown out because most of them didn't work. So its hair, I think I'm gonna bail on the whole rainbow thing. I don't have the colors of the rainbow as I thought I did.
I wish you were pink, that way you can like do cotton candy.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna go, wait, I need to see if crayons will work. I think it might if I push harder. Comment down below if you think this is gonna work.
Come down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how I do my hashtags. But hashtag I did it if you did it.
Yes.
In that tag. So does it work?
I'm still doing it. I'm scared to rip it. This one's better than the
Okay, we're seeing if it works, if it's working right now.
crayons do not work.
Okay.
So
how-
if you got it right, say I got it right. Wait, let's see what this
if you
does.
got hashtag I got it right if you
If
got
you-
it right.
Like it.
Hash,
Perfume.
hashtag rest in peace unicorn.
Still alive.
Hashtag rip unicorn because it's it lost its identity.
It lost its neck too. So do I have a board?
You don't have anything, and I have like all the stuff in my house.
Here, I know. Oh, I found one pink and a yellow.
Okay, she found a pink and a yellow. It's just I really wanted it to be cotton candy themed.
Yeah. I'm still trying to find the blue, guys.
Don't give up hope. Hashtag don't give up hope on unicorn. If you.
Oh, I found the doggy's ear.
Oh yeah, and then this is like the dog ear. Yeah, like I can just tell by like the outsiding, like it's very hard to squish. I'm
Yeah.
really like using half my strength to squish this.
And that's just the ear. Okay, so new plan. I'm doing this purple. It's a Papermate, and this. So shout out to Crayola and Papermate.
And they'll probably never watch this.
These are like the same colors, literally. They
It is.
are. Yep. Okay, but this one's like pinkish purple. Oh, I thought you were playing
Can I make this over?
Yeah, maybe. But I'm gonna do this in another video. So it might just be striped, or it might just go weird. So right now I'm just doing
cut the ball.
striped hair.
See, I cut the ball. I cut the ball.
And I don't even have a black. Wow.
Kids never do this. Never do it. You will cut yourself very bad.
I'll show you so you can see what I'm trying.
Can I try to smooth it out the neck?
Like right there, sure. She's smoothing out the bottom of the neck.
Sorry guys if you can't see, it's just like very hard.
Yeah, here. And if you hear weird noises or screams, like, don't worry, nobody's getting hurt. It's just my brother plays his video game with his friend, and yeah,
Okay.
she knows that.
Yeah. I think I know.
She like, you know, she's like.
I basically live in.
During the summer, I was over at her house more than I was at my house.
Yeah.
So
Okay, I think it's going well, smoother than I know. Don't you say it is?
Yeah.
But we still have tons of cutting to do. Well, not tons, but we still have cutting to do. Sorry guys, I'm not afraid. But this is how it looks so far.
I only got one line of purple down all. I got one line of purple just now.
Okay.
It's almost done.
But I'm just like getting this ready for the next squishy makeover.
Yes, and that will be either later today or next weekend. Or tomorrow. Depending on if we have a sleepover again. Oh, wait. Wrong one. Then I'm gonna have to wipe this down because I'm smearing marker all over it. So that's what happens.
This is going very well.
I didn't care about having our hair super smooth because
It's hair. Like the
hair's
neck.
supposed to be like wrinkly and stuff because I wanted it to look kind of more real than the other one. And the just plain blue hair.
Yeah, but like next, like you want them to be like super smooth.
Yeah, and this is just, I didn't care. It's pretty smooth though, so.
I'm just like going crazy cutting. Don't worry, I won't like cut it down like all the way over here. Obviously. It's just like, it's like very like non-smooth.
Yeah. So, this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, I kind of smeared and I cut off the eyelashes.
Oh yeah. Also, if you guys want a shout out in her videos, all you have to do is
subscribe, like 10 of my videos, and
when we have 10 videos.
yeah, but right now you just like all of them, and then you would say done on my most recent videos, and turn on the bell, and boom.
Kind of try to get rid of this fairy tale.
Sure.
I'll be very gentle.
She's just getting that one ready for the next squishy makeover.
So don't worry, this isn't like
That's right there.
It doesn't not wanting to go off gentle and try doing it like as gentle.
Yeah, sometimes squishies with those type of scissors, like you have to like in this with when I was cutting the hair, I had to like go over millions of times, and then I just ripped it off. So.
But if I rip it off, like you'll like have huge indents.
Yeah, so
I just have to deal with it. I can also use my nail to like get some of it off.
Yeah. And don't worry, like I know it's like it's not super good and stuff, like it's still kind of light in some places. I'm gonna go over it again once I'm done. I'm just getting the bottom layer on. Okay, so right now I'm like close to done with the hair.
I got the tea done. I really almost gotten the tea. Seriously.
Yeah, because it's...
Okay, I think I might just like scrape it off with my nail instead.
Okay.
So it's actually looking a lot better.
And we can smoothen it later in the next video. So...
Because we don't want to do too much detail. Actually, can I just rub this off? Like, don't rub it off. No, you can't. So I'll just scrape it off.
So, like, just go like this. That's right. So take it, and just like take it, and then just do that. Okay. Okay, So
yeah, we'll definitely have to smoothen this out because like doing it this way, see like literally that's how the bottom is.
Yeah, so
We'll definitely have to smoothen this out. I thought just scratching it off was better. But we've already started to do that, so like, and it'd look weird to like leave it like unfinished. Yeah, so this is how many remains there are.
yeah, just out of 2 squishies.
It's like a lot.
Yeah, because but this is what the top of the head looked like. Camera kind of looks messy, and that is a little messy, but like tomorrow and stuff I'm gonna go through and like today later in this video I'm gonna go through and add more details to it. Don't worry guys, I'm not leaving it unfinished.
Yeah, like that just be complete. Also like getting rid of like the pink stuff on there.
That was, I don't know.
Not sure how that happened.
Probably had pink cans and just played with it. Who knows?
It's very hard to do.
I'm trying to be as detailed I can be. It's hard drawing on a squishy with markers, so if it doesn't look the
This
best.
is hard on me so much, but I'm doing it crazy. I'm doing it because it needs a makeover.
The neck, I might just turn into like something completely different again, but because there's not much you can do with a neck.
Yeah.
So,
Oh wait, I know what we could do. I can't tell you.
you can. A vase or a face? Just tell them I said.
A vase.
It could, maybe.
This is like not one I want. It's like one which is now what I'm looking to.
This is almost done, guys.
Sorry, the video is so long.
If you're a true fan, you'll watch the whole thing. Okay.
Oh my god, ow, look at that. Guys, look at that.
Yeah.
Do you want me to smoothen it like out just a little bit?
Yeah.
I won't do it all because that can all be done in a minute.
Yes. We're just kind of getting it a little bit more prepared for the next video.
So
Okay. Now you have to go back and get it more colored because I was just doing a little fast little sketch of it to just kind of get it on there. But now you have to go back through and get it more colored, make sure there's no white spots.
oh my god, guys, literally. But I haven't even finished smoothing it out a little bit. Okay, I'm trying to show them that like, that's how much is in there. Sorry for how long the video is again. We're just trying to finish that. She's just trying to finish that one.
But
for you guys to see.
don't worry, guys. It's
all good. Okay. Just a few more little snaps. And it won't be fully smoothing out, but we will do that now. again, comment down below what you think this is going to turn out to be. Like the outsiding is like not like as soft as like the parts where I cut it.
Yeah, because that's just how some squishies are. So this is the hair.
Oh, yeah.
I just got done doing the detail with this one.
Like, literally, there's like this much.
Just built it. And the
By
face got
accident.
super smeared, but that's okay.
It didn't really matter.
Ooh. What do I do with that? And nothing's hills down. I'll tell you after this video, Isis.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it's
Going
flatten it out.
through and
Guys, don't worry. This is not necessary.
it's just us doing it. 'Cause, yeah,
Guys, this is not necessary.
but
Maybe necessary. But I'm just trying to flatten it out more.
And guys, don't do this if you're scared of getting your hands dirty, because this is what happens.
And don't do this if you're scared of hitting your hand with your ruler.
See, my thumb's like purple, but it's all good.
I'm just flattening this out if it's necessary.
It's necessary.
Okay, actually I'm gonna get it flatten it.
And then you just bang, 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 bang. Kind of actually does flatten it because it. Take it and just like,
This is the finished cut up squishy.
so.
Yeah. The bottom and top look so much better than this. But a ball kind of like has like a rough texture, so yeah.
The ball's supposed to have the rough texture. I personally made it like that.
Wow!
So,
I got it.
okay, now
Oh!
now it's time to give her a little more detail on her face. First, I'm gonna go get a wet cloth and fix this up.
Do you want me to hold it? Do you want me to do it since my fingers aren't perfect?
You will come with me and
Okay. 1 second. Okay. So guys, this is a squishy. This is the other squishy. I'm kind of like thinking of like an idea, but it's not adding anything. But yeah, just that's the only hit you're getting. Anyways, we have to go. Oh. Yeah. Anyways, that's your lava lamp. Okay, sorry if it's like really dark. Yeah. We have to get a washcloth.
Going to use a sponge. It's very new, so it kind of. You know what? I don't want to. I'm just going to use a washcloth.
Okay.
So, turn that off. Get warm water. Wait for it to turn warm first.
Make sure, guys, make sure it's. But guys, make sure it's warm water because like, otherwise like it won't rip off the edge easily. Oh my god, I'm like staring at myself. Wait. Like, I can just like see myself doing this in the mirror. Anyways, yeah, make sure it's a warm water because otherwise it's not gonna do it as easy.
Make sure it's damp.
Damp, not
Not
soaking wet. Not soaking wet because like otherwise it will like spread all over. I'm crazy with
Then add some soap.
because
This is Be Delighted Mary Kay.
be delighted.
So,
Yeah. It's like being very difficult.
okay, there's not much in here.
I think that's the best we're getting.
Plus we don't need a lot. And then just take it and smear.
It all over.
Yeah. You can. And
You don't have to do this step, but I choose to. Because you don't have to use soap, but I choose to get it off good. So, she's just being weird.
This is why you don't ever. Okay, guys, this is why you don't ever trust me to hold a camera. Sorry, guys. It's like sorry that it's been 30 minutes long. Okay, guys. If you guys ever think my friend, you might not because we might not know where we look at together. Okay. But yeah, never trust me to hold your camera ever, because I don't drop it. I almost dropped it. Yeah. This is like creepy. Like, you see how I'm like right here? Like literally, like if I turn the camera around, I like make sure like it can see me, and it's like kind of creepy.
Okay, I ended up having to use the water soap too, because that Mary Kay did not have enough. So now, let's go to my room.
Okay.
Oh god. Okay, you're gonna have to.
You have to be careful. You have to be careful not to get the hair because it will take away the color of your hair. So just rub it gently, not to spread it. Just squish it and do stuff with it. Just rub it like okay. Just warning you, my dad turned off the Wi-Fi, I think. That's why I couldn't do that. Okay, is it still on? Okay. All this purple might not come off because some of it was the paper mate, and that's like stained and stuff, and then one was Ferrero washable. And I don't know what she's doing over there. Well, I can't see you. And then I'm just squishing it in my dress, drying it. Because I'm too lazy to go get a dry one. And always when you're remaking it, get it a little damp too because it makes it more soft. The water soaks into it. So now I'm gonna take this Paper Mate one and I'm going to give it pink lips instead of these black weird lips that my friend colored on here because it didn't have any. So the lips aren't the best quality, but you see it's fine. Then a little nostril. And here's the final look. Not the final look, but I think it looks fine. The face is a little colored, but if you so here are my crayons, I'm dumping these out. Take a white one, take it and just rub it on the face. Just rub it on the face. And look at that, we'll smear it, and it's already taking some off. It's white, and this is white. So, do this. Oh no, I broke the crayon. Oh well. Okay. Do this, just rub it. It's purple ear, yes I know. Okay. Here's this, and I'm going to decide not to redo the eyes, but the eyelashes are pink. So, there. This is the finished look. There's the hair. This face, this face. This neck's not super smooth, but I don't super care. And bye guys!